Hey everyone, in this video we will learn how to use operators as part of measures in Power BI. I've got this file and I've also uploaded this file to GitHub. The link to the file are in the video notes, so you can download the file and do the tutorial along with me. So we'll just learn how to use a simple minus operator. So I'll just click on new measure, and what I'll do is I'll just create it as sales amount minus freight amount. That's pretty much it. So if I say sales amount less is equal to, it won't let us directly. So if I say sales amount, you can see it is not letting us access it because it will only let us access measures. If you want to use the table columns, you need to use a function. So we'll use the sum function here, and we will say sales amount and close the bracket, and then just say minus, and then we'll again use the sum function and we will say freight amount and close. So now it will create that measure for us. So if you want to use operators, you have to use a function to access the underlying columns which are provided by the Power BI data model. And now we've got this measure created, and sales less freight, and we'll just grab it and put it here, and you can see there that we've just created a measure with a single operator. So I hope you find this video useful, and thanks for watching this video.